Ebusia mema mu nyina akwa aba asanso ama mu aha de aba channels na mpempe amene mu kase de ya be piem ye Tema High Court na mo hwe mfoni a etwegu ya chese utumi hu se we Agradaa case ni kunu Asiamah ana aba bedru High Court ha enye asemkum na say ana Empress Gifty ne lawyer editudwa
so and then nanka yeba abe movie application for interlocutory injunction appended since May. I filed the writ of summons. But no pay I bedru ye no. Na ye hu say lawyers for Madam Patricia Sidua and so the application be aba. So application no the omo pese omo kire nyina say Madam Patricia Sidua ne baby a wote ni place of abode na sesa e masisia no akodi Eastern region sawom. Na omo ye desirous say ombe prosecute ombe di asem nechi. Nti yen fa asem no yen transfer asem no enko court a wo Eastern region na sa court na India asem no because we have procedure na we have rules na so we see obi in such cases are regional defendant no etim no e ho na say we see nimpa no nti wo hwa Madam Patricia Sidua emra yenya emfa no nko isawom no a o te Greater Accra ha no yesiu no e wo a court in Greater Accra but see no the lawyers person omo kire say wakodi isawom nti yemfa asem no enko Eastern region but ye hina ebe nim say oma file appeal nti the question is that sa appeal ni ye a ye best na transfer back Accra na so these are all arguments ye be at appropriate time no the date oma schedule for the application to be heard ye be make it the argument say venue doesn't affect the root of the matter nti and the see no and ma me sign en clear bibi kakra dia AC be 2 weeks ago no enye Madam Empress Gifty case no ena te said e bi mo ka no sa issue no criminal dia Empress Gifty dia back court e Tema no civil entumi ma obi nkoda prison nti me pese me clear sa misconception no enye Empress Gifty case ena de de baaye no baaye ono ni case na Tema ha ayedi ene application e de baaye no anopeya almost the counter application be aba as I said court no hear that application no first and sana ye to me acquire application for injunction so na me san fan kan ho say said the last time minimum eshia ye no na me ka bibi say Madam Patricia Sidua e kan say bi fa me ho na enye de enti ye tro no letter say on retract no apologize be hu say why video bi or kaka bibi ni ade but ya me pese meka maye hina yete ye ho ase ni se enya de a ye betwe sa asem me de sa asem na che yo ka fa me hu bia no me de ache no me ne me law firm ni hina ye de ache no but that case we dey case are pending and we will go into the merit of it.
Thank you. Semwa mama party ba ko pe oba Gaddafi oba be kana sem o wie ye me pasa me kasa oh tie sabe kasa mo kasa mame me kacha mo so sawa me kasa me tamadrafu na makasa me yale minyim si mi atu che me kacha mo se man ijudi me aduma na yedu anyami anko me kacha mo so na wa ba me aduma na yedu e no be council who did now their sense oba papa ba ko be oba Gaddafi no see identity see identity say be ade o magic so je magic by say why and then in the first and the last no mo hwe bibi na mo be hu
na say killing
na ma kan say so na and they no fa 15 years me purchase say oni Empress asem no na ma su no sa 2020 den and na me ka say killer on tua no matter what killer entua and the me kan
say on the court mo kan ho asem say nyama court na dey say 15 years e jailing no ono wo bibi kan
mi wo bibi kan because dem me work kan say bitafa che wen kunipa and I'm a boy. Who will be some as himself on Kuni Pie and on Kusu. Only do I advance. We need to one who bets me up.
To a house is 15 years old.
I am a papa, a hammy and cassa, and the man can be boy, hammy and cassa, a hammy. I didn't see the mamma appeal. I was like, I will find no. Not even I'll take it after Tonka's own tree. And no one them who will write some way to me, and no put there, and you're 15 years. Now, no, and then I want you. Maka someone in Kofu baby. Now, no, and then I want you. A bit more cuckoo Kofu. Now, no, and I'm not so baby. Woo. I got that man for the case to my Agradaa. Myself, but the same. I got that in the pocket to her. Not fiancé. Na me ba be pijano na wa ye ni senche ni
no bia wani mo hwe wa because Agradaa de odi no no
kuni onye me busu se biu but me pederi otino oya kukudofo oya ba kukudofo okasa na magasa ma hwe media no so mo se bibia ye no mo se bibia media no so obia na ni
o ma so se so idi
I saw it
sana hu se TikTok so idi
bra
what problem
ma fin the papa
okay
ma fin na kasa ma me ma fin no ma fin no o se so no wo me be na me ka se ma chem e maybe last way no 26 no ba e che mi te to mu si e na mo hwehwe de na obe ya kilantia no na me fi say me ami ni yes amu ka se ni bi
no kwa na bi mu so waji skandia
me ji sky
obi an trace ma
obi an trace obi an bo me apase because odo na me wo ma minute na me yes odo na me wo ma minute but yes o say ya there
o say
yeah ni don anything na me praise ma enye bibi anti say dem make what you say yes nti enye de obi beka enye de media beka enye de beka me see oye okosuba from person tin no as say kila here there kila tia
Asiamah today.
You are man. Somebody do well. What is that? After the call.
Sorry, y'all.
Yeah, me can share. No, mommy can be being chair. Say, say me can fly chair.
Asiamah today.
Somebody will go out. Okay. So,
Biggie.
Today we were supposed to move a certain emotion. We want to find out what exactly happened in court today.
So today, we were supposed to have moved our application for injunction, for the interlocutory injunction that we filed in May when we filed the rate of severance. But surprisingly, just this morning, lawyers for the defendant have also filed another application to amend the entry of appearance.
What does that mean?
What it means is that they are saying that the residence of Madam Patricia Sidwa has changed by reason of the operation of law. She has been incarcerated and currently she is in the Isawam prisons. So they want the case transferred for convenience sake to the Eastern region. And that application will have to be heard before we can move to also apply for our interlocutory injunction. So that has to be done first. It takes precedence over our application for the injunction.
And when they made the submission, what was your reaction?
So we tried to convince my lady that this is just a process to delay the trial. But my lady also had to be fair. She said we have to give them the opportunity to move that application. And then we have just been said, so if you also have anything in opposition, you also have to file it and come the next agenda.
So when is the next agenda?
We are coming back in September, I think so.
15th October.
15th October.
Yeah.
At 10 a.m.
Council, I just want to ask a quick one. You seem to be surprised how, if you look at the application they filed to change the entry, it seems your side of the case, you were surprised to hear something like that.
Yes, we accept this just this morning in court. You were served just this morning.
So what has been the process if you want to change the mode of entry?
So, yeah, that is what they've done. Okay. They want to amend the appearance. And you sue the defendant in a court within the region where the defendant resides. Now, the residence or the place of abode of Madam Patricia Sidwa has changed. She is now in Isawam, and so it means that we have to go to the East region. But we will come and also argue it for the court to continue the case here. So we will come and do that.
So you want to continue here? You
Of
don't
course,
want to move to
of course. Venue, it doesn't affect the jurisdiction, properly so called. You understand? The case, it doesn't affect the route.
Being transported. Other
We can serve her hearing notice. I don't want to go into the argument itself. We can serve her hearing notice this day. You understand? So for us, this application is not an application that you want to argue it on the media and all that. We will come to court and agree with. Okay. So and then nanka yeba abe movie application for interlocutory injunction appended since May. I filed the writ of summons. But no pay I bedru ye no. Na ye who say lawyers for Madam Patricia Siedua and so the application be aba. So application no the omo person omo kire hina say Madam Patricia Siedua ne baby a wote ni place of abode na sesa e ma sesia no okodi Eastern region in Sawom na omo ye desirous say ombe prosecute ombe di assembly chi nti yen fa asem no yen transfer asem no enko court a wo Eastern region na sa court na India asem no because we have procedure and we have rules na so we see obi in such cases regional defendant no etim no e ho na say we see impa no nti wo hwa Madam Patricia Siedua emra yenya emfa no nko Isawom no a ote Greater Accra ha no yesiu no e court in Greater Accra but sesia no the lawyers person omo kire say wakodi Isawom nti yemfa asem no enko Eastern region but yenya e bi enim say omo file appeal nti the question is that sa appeal ni ye ye be san transfer back Accra na so these are all arguments ye be at appropriate time no the date omo schedule for the application to be heard. You may make it the argument say venue doesn't affect the root of the matter. And the see and I'm saying and clear bibi kakra. Their AC 2 weeks ago no. And yet Madam Empress gift case no. And they said they be more can. So issue no a criminal. Their Empress gift their back court e whatever no a civil. And to me ma obi in that prison. It may perceive me clear sir. Misconception no enye Empress gift case and I did the buy no e buy on only case na e Tema ha ayedi and the application e de buy no anope ya almost the counter application bi aba as I say court no hear that application no first and sana ye to me akọ application for injunction no so na me san fan ka ho say say the last time me ehia no na me ka bibi say Madam Patricia Siedua e kan say bi fa me ho na enye de enti ye tro no letter say on retract no apologize be hu say why video bi or kaka bibi ne ade but ya me pese me ka ma ye hina ye te ye ho ase ne say enya de a ye betwe sa asem me de sa asem na che yo ka fa me hu bia no me de a che no me ne me law firm ni na ye de a che no but that case we dey a case are pending and we will go into the merit of it. Thank you.
And you on for assembly back.
What's a Mukochi? Oh, I don't want them. Hold them.
Oh, Cassandra,
Very good.